Right, this boat here was kind of abandoned for ages, for months. It's Oxbridge Lock, and it's in a funny place because there's a weir, so the water comes in, and it's really hard to kind of use the lock because it was moored on the lock's landing. Sorry, I'm trying to paddle at the same time and record this thing. So then all of a sudden it kind of appeared near Denham Deep Lock, and I kind of thought maybe the owners came back or something, but I haven't seen anyone on it. The other problem is that it has like a sliding roof, and the sliding roof is open. So if it starts raining, this is basically gonna fill up with water and sink. And it's only been tied up with one rope, basically, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's have a look.